Ever wonder where all your money goes? Let's be honest, swiping that plastic feels oh so convenient. But between morning lattes, surprise online shopping sprees, and that weekend getaway you just had to book, it's easy to lose track of exactly how much you've spent on your Capital One credit card. Fear not, fellow spenders. Knowing your credit card balance is crucial for staying on top of your finances and avoiding any unwanted surprises come statement time. In this video, we'll be diving deep into the world of Capital One credit card balance checks. We'll explore all the convenient ways to peek into your account and shed some light on that mysterious balance number. So, grab your favorite drink, settle in, and get ready to become a credit card balance check pro. Now, there are a few things to keep in mind before we jump in. The balance you see might differ slightly depending on when you check. That's because any recent transactions might still be processing. Generally, you'll see the most up-to-date picture on your balance after your statement period closes. Alright, with that cleared up, let's get down to business. Method 1. Capital One Online Account, your digital command center. Think of your Capital One Online account as your personal finance fortress. It's where you can see everything happening with your card, and checking your balance is a breeze. Here's how to do it. Head over to Capital One's website and navigate to the login page. If you haven't already, you'll need to register for online access. It's a quick and easy process, and you'll be thanking yourself later. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your Capital One dashboard. Look for your credit card section. It's usually prominently displayed, and might even show a glimpse of your current balance. Click on your specific credit card. This will take you to a detailed view of your account activity. And voila! Right there, front and center, you'll see your current balance staring back at you. Method 2. Capital One Mobile App Balance on the Go. We live in a mobile world, and Capital One knows that. Their mobile app is like a mini version of your online account, always at your fingertips. Here's how to check your balance with the app. Download the Capital One mobile app if you haven't already. It's free and available for both iOS and Android devices. Log into the app using the same credentials you use for your online account. Once you're in, look for the credit card you want to check. It should be easily accessible on the app's home screen. Tap on your chosen credit card, and you'll be presented with your current balance in all its glory. Method 3. Calling Capital One, get a human touch. Maybe you prefer the reassurance of a friendly voice. No problem. Capital One has a customer service team ready to assist you. Here's how to check your balance over the phone. Grab your Capital One credit card. The phone number for customer service might be printed on the back of your card for easy access. Alternatively, you can dial the general Capital One customer service number, which is 1-800-CAPITAL 227-4825. Follow the prompts on the automated system. You might be asked to enter some account information for security purposes. Once you're connected to a representative, you can simply ask them for your current balance. They'll be happy to help. Bonus method, texting Eno, the Capital One assistant. Capital One offers a virtual assistant named Eno. While Eno can't directly display your balance on a text, they can be a helpful middleman. Here's how it works. Save Eno's phone number in your contact list. You can find the number on Capital One's website. Text Eno with a request to check your balance. They'll ask you to verify some information to ensure security. Once verified, Eno will send you a secure link where you can log into your online account and view your balance. Remember, no matter which method you choose, make sure you're in a secure environment when checking your balance, especially if you're using a public Wi-Fi network.